This is the replacement garage door opener module. I'm going to try and program it. This is the first time. Press star and pound for 5 seconds. It blinks red 3 times. Press button 1 and pound. It blinked once. Press 0, 0, 0, 0 and pound. It blinked once. Press 1, 2, 3, 4 and pound. It blinked once. Press 0, 9, then pound. It blinks once. Then I hold down pound and star for 5 seconds. It blinked red once. Okay, now I press the program button here and the LED lights up and the light over there. Now I enter 1, 2, 3, 4 and enter. It flashed green a bunch of times, but the garage door opener did nothing. The garage door opener should flash the lights and the LED when it's learned the proper code. Let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter. It does nothing now. We'll wait for the okay, those lights have gone out, so it's no longer in learn mode. So let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4, enter. Nothing. Pretty much the same as it was with the previous keypad. One, 2, 3, 4, enter. Green flashing, no action from the garage door.